The Chinese government issued a strongly worded statement about the problems of online gambling, but this industry proves to be a good source of revenue for the Philippines. On the same day China voiced its concern, the Bureau of Internal Revenue or BIR reports it collected an initial 186 million pesos in withholding taxes from Philippine offshore gaming operators or POGOs and is getting another 170 million pesos in August in tax payments from these businesses employing foreigners for a total of 356 million pesos. The Philippine Amusement and Gaming Corporation or PAGCOR earlier proposed the construction of a dedicated hub for POGOs. The Philippine government says gambling is perfectly legal in the Philippines. The real estate industry also enjoys Chinese money as POGOs push prices up. Malacanang says a statement from China is not enough to shut down POGO operations. Presidential spokesman Sal Panelo says if there are abuses, complaints should be filed against employers.